Hi all, this is Roy from Realtiva. Excited to share a new enhancement we put together for you. It centers around lead capture and creating squeeze pages. So let's go ahead and jump into this. If you'd log into your account, go to Options. Under Options, you'll notice the new enhancement, Squeeze Pages. Go ahead and click on that. And let's just quickly walk you through the format and layout. If we're adding a new squeeze page, you'll notice you have the form name, lead source, headline, custom submit button title. You can also align the form. Another cool thing is you can also assign this form to a specific office for lead distribution or to an agent. Opportunity type, is it a sale opportunity, lease, purchase? And also, once this lead comes through the system, you can assign it a specific drip to this lead type and this customer. And we also have the footer information here as well. Some of the other things that we have on the bottom here, we can center the submit button, and we can also redirect after a person submits the form, we can redirect them to the appropriate web page. And another cool thing that we entered was background URL. So now you can put a background on this squeeze page. So let's go ahead and look at a squeeze page we created just so you can get an idea, and I can show you a couple tips and tricks. Let's go ahead and click on my first squeeze page. Foreclosures. It's for the weekly list, the button name, get the list, and we have the styling for the form itself. It's assigned a bill, it's a purchase opportunity, it's going to go on this drip campaign, and we also have our background image. Notice that we have a footer. In this case, in the footer, we actually put in our Facebook iframe, so we can show our Facebook friends at the bottom of this for the social play there. So let's go ahead and quickly look at what the squeeze page generated. So now you have this link. If we go ahead and look at the squeeze page, you can see what happened. All right, so there's a squeeze page. In a matter of probably 10 minutes or less, probably 5 minutes, you can actually create a lead capture page, a squeeze page. You'll notice that the email is a little to the left here, and there's a little bit of space there. And I don't like the way it's formatted. So let me give you a quick tip here. If we go ahead and we change this first field to, let's say, 50 pixels, let's go ahead and update this. And if we go back and we refresh this page, you'll notice that now it's shrunk the spacing for this email tag down to 50 pixels, so now it's nicely formatted. You'll notice this form field here is very long. I actually like it long on this form, but if you wanted to shrink it, you could actually go to the next, and let's just make it 250. Go ahead and update this, and we can go ahead and refresh, and you'll notice now that it's shrunk to 250 pixels long. You have your headline, you have your custom button, and you have your footer. You could put something else in the footer there. You could anything you want. I like the Facebook play there. It's kind of nice. Shows that people are using it, and it's are recommending this page. So, and that is a squeeze page. The leads will come in directly into the Realtiva system and start on the drips. And this should get you going. Start you on the lead capture trail. Like always, if you have any other questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here to help. Hope all is well, and thanks for listening.